I created 1,000 candle mockups in 3 minutes. If you sell candles on Etsy, print on demand or handmade, and you're still placing labels one at a time, this video is going to hurt a little. And then it's going to fix everything. No Photoshop, no Canva hacks. This runs in your browser, and it works with real smart object mockups. The same PSD templates the pros use. Here's the entire workflow. Drag in your candle mockup templates. Drag in your label designs. Hit generate. The app runs every label through every template, every combination, full resolution, organized and named. 10 templates, 100 labels, that's 1,000 mockups. 3 minutes. Now, the #1 complaint candle sellers have with mockup generators. The label looks flat, pasted on, like a sticker floating in front of the jar instead of wrapped around it. Not here, because this is real smart object rendering, not a flat overlay. Look at this. The label actually wraps around the cylinder, picks up the shadow, picks up the glass. Your buyer can tell the difference, so can you. Second complaint. My design drops in the wrong size, and I resize every single one by hand. Not here. You set the alignment and fit once. Square label, tall label, round lid sticker. And it places perfectly on every template, every time. Zero manual adjustment. And third, those candle mockups you already bought on Etsy? The smart object bundles you actually love? They work. This isn't a locked library of someone else's stock photos. Bring your own PSD templates. Keep your shop's look, just stop doing the labor. Every hour you spend placing labels by hand is an hour you're not designing or selling. The sellers who automate this launch more products. That's just math. Remember those 1,000 mockups from the start? 3 minutes in a browser tab. Go sign up today. bulkmockup.com. Link is in the description. Your first batch will take you longer to drag in than to generate. And tell me in the comments what you sell. Candles, mugs, tumblers, I read all of them.